Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Google contacts from your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Google contacts from your Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong Gmail account, so you're syncing the wrong contacts between your Bigin CRM and your Google contacts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect your Google contacts from Bigin, you need to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here on the left, and you want to click on toppings. Once you do that, you're going to see various integrations, but you want to look for the one with the Google logo right here, and then click on manage. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see events and contacts. So you can see that my Google Calendar is not connected, but my Google Contacts is connected. So right now it's sharing contacts and syncing contacts. So in order to remove that, what you're going to do is click on this red deactivate button here on the right. All right, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up contacts sync deactivated. So now my Bigin CRM is no longer going to share contacts with my Google contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove your Google contacts syncing with your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.